This universe is very vast. When we think of it, it's out of our mind. And we are going deeper and deeper into the earth. And here we found our WSG college. Let's go into the deeper and deeper inside the classroom. Your teacher is teaching us into the classroom through MS Team, Microsoft Team. Let's go deeper inside it. Let's guys, first of all, open the Chrome browser and type in nptechguru.com. It's my website. Just you can go through there. You can find lots of many more information for the student and many more. Here is my YouTube channel. Subscribe it, and also don't forget to like my Facebook page. And just open new tab, type in youtube.com and just watching WSG project. Here we go, WSG project, and click on the first video. It's our project on NOS, Network Operating System. What is Network Operating System? Network Operating System, NOS, is a computer operating system that is designed only support the installation of personal computer and more land and behind the NOS. There are lots of things. Here you can see on picture there is one server, printer and host and many more. And types of networking system, network operating system actually. There are different types of network operating systems. Main include peer-to-peer and client-server network. Also, there is cloud-based operating system. Let's get into peer-to-peer and client-server network. What is peer-to-peer? Peer-to-peer network operating system allows the user to share the network resources in common, accessible with their location. In architecture, all devices are treated equally in terms of functionality. Just look at the picture. Peer-to-peer network. Here, just all computers are connected with equally. Just there is no host. Just I'll describe in this picture. There is no host, and the data is transmitted equally to all of the clients. For example, if you have to share the zip file, then this zip file is going to be shared to all of the client. Just direct, indirect, sharing through the different portion of the computer, like land. And there was one app store, for example torrent, which is an example of peer-to-peer connection. And if any one of the computer failed to receive, then other computer might able to receive the zip file. This is the advantage of peer-to-peer. And next is client server network operating system. Client server network operating system provide the user with the resources through the server. In this architecture, all the functions and applications are unified under the file server that can be used to execute the individual client regardless of the any physical location. Client server tends to be most expensive and requires large number of technical maintenance. And advantage to the models, network is controlled by the centrally. That means the data main server is there, and we are using like the same thing. The YouTube, we are watching the YouTube video, and the main server of YouTube is in the somewhere else, and we are getting receiving like I'll just show you the example in a picture. Just see, here is a main server and internet, and most of people are using the mobile laptop, and they are getting the data through the server. Feature of network operating system. There are different types of feature of network operating. One of the basic like protocol processing hardware and detecting the multiprocessor, printer sharing, the printer application, common file sharing, database like example, and network security capability, authentication and access control, directory backup, web services, and networking. An example of network operating system are Microsoft Windows Server 2003, Microsoft Windows Server 2008, Unix, Linux, Microsoft Mac OS, Novel NetWare, and BSD. That's all guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and it's my end of the project. Thank you all.